Join John Doe on a surf wax mission like no other. He's on a quest to buy the perfect surf wax, and he's doing it in style. Watch as John Doe navigates the streets, turning heads and spreading smiles. Shop owner asks,
"Oh, no, he didn't."
"What can I help you find today?" John Doe uses the remote control to guide the car to the surf wax shelf. Witness the surf wax selection process. Remotely, John Doe successfully picks out the perfect surf wax, but the adventure doesn't end there. John Doe, with surf wax in hand, steers the remote control car to the checkout counter. Friendly shop owner, amused. "I've never rung up a sale like this before." Subscribe now for more unconventional adventures with John Doe.